Shut down your current drone. Stop watching those FPV tutorials. Because the world of immersive flight, cinematic drone shots, and accessible freestyle is about to be redefined by a single piece of technology. We are talking about the next apex predator in the sky, the DJI Avata 3. For months, the rumors have been quiet, but behind that silence, DJI has been engineering a generational leap. This is not a slight improvement over the Avata 2. This is the integration of the best of the Mavic line's imaging capability with the raw, adrenalized experience of FPV. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. I have compiled the most validated cross-referenced leaks from within the drone industry, and they confirm that the Avata 3 is poised to dominate the skies of professional and enthusiast pilots worldwide. If you are a filmmaker who needs dynamic, low-altitude shots, or an FPV pilot who craves unparalleled safety and clarity, you must listen to the next 30 minutes. The camera. Sensor shockwave. Let's cut straight to the most significant upgrade, the one that immediately moves the Avata 3 out of the hobbyist category and into the professional toolkit, the 1-inch CMOS sensor. Yes, you heard that correctly. The most persistent and highly credible leak is that the Avata 3 will house a 1-inch sensor, the same size typically found in high-end photo and video drones. This is a massive jump from the Avata 2 sensor and is what unlocks the entire professional workflow. Why does sensor size matter? Low light performance and dynamic range. Imagine shooting golden hour footage or dynamic indoor scenes without crushing the shadows or blowing out the highlights. The 1-inch sensor, combined with a new, advanced processor, is rumored to push the usable ISO range to a level previously unseen in a drone of this size. But the cinematic quality doesn't stop there. The Avata 3 is tipped to offer true 4K video at 120 frames per second with 10-bit color depth and a dedicated professional D-Log profile. This provides buttery smooth, cinematic slow motion and color grading flexibility that puts this drone on par with cinema cameras. This is the moment the Cinewhoop becomes a true cinematic workhorse. Flight dynamics, speed and stamina revolution. The Avata 3 is an FPV drone, and FPV is about speed and agility. DJI has reportedly addressed the two biggest constraints of previous models, speed and flight time. The new Avata 3 is rumored to feature a redesigned propulsion system that pushes the top speed up to an incredible 140 km per hour, or approximately 87 miles per hour, in manual M mode. This is a game changer for high-speed action sports, car chase sequences, and aggressive freestyle flying. Even more crucial for professional work is stamina. Leaks suggest a new high-capacity battery, potentially around 3,000 mAh, extending the flight time to a massive 30+ minutes. This increase in endurance reduces the number of battery swaps, cuts down on carry weight, and allows filmmakers to complete complex sequences in a single flight. This is a direct answer to the professional community's loudest demand. Safety and obstacle avoidance. All-directional AI. One of the biggest anxieties of flying FPV is the inevitable crash. The Avata 3 is rumored to feature an exponentially advanced safety suite, making complex, close-quarters flights safer than ever before. We are looking at omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, leveraging multiple sensors, front, rear, bottom, and crucially, sideways sensors. This system, powered by an onboard AI